Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the OPPO A71 country. Firstly, you have to open a browser and go to IMEI.info website. And when you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Go for captcha protection and click on check. Just wait a moment. And here you can see whole specification about your OPPO A71. And now, if you want to check the OPPO country, you should choose Info and Country check. Then just click again at check OPPO warranty in country and wait a moment until full specification is provided. There you go. You can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here you can check the country of your OPPO A71. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.